Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about Triumph's TE-1 electric motorcycle. So make sure to watch the full video. Triumph Motorcycles presents the finished TE-1 prototype. After years of development and numerous test runs, the project is now complete. But there will be no production model. The project is over. After the final test phase, the finished TE-1 prototype, which was developed in collaboration between Triumph Motorcycles, Williams Advanced Engineering, Integral Powertrain Ltd, and WMG University of Warwick, is presented in Hinckley. According to Triumph, the results are satisfactory, but the model does not go into series production. Triumph TE-1 performance and range. With the headlight mask of the Speed Triple, Triumph also wanted to come closer to the current hyper-naked bike in terms of performance. The task was successful. The electric motor produces a total of 177 HP and 109 Nm of torque, which should ensure an acceleration of 3.7 from 0 to 100. Triumph specifies a top speed of 216 km. More would be possible, but you would have to change the translation, which would also reduce the range. Speaking of range, Williams Advanced Engineering supplies the 15 kW battery, which is a supporting element of the frame. In the test drives after the WMTC cycle, a range of 161 kilometers was achieved, according to Triumph, a category-leading performance. Other electric bikes, such as the Energica Xperia, have a longer specified range, but here we are talking about a sports tourer. So we let Triumph over range. Only 20 minutes loading time. As is customary in the industry, Triumph Motorcycles also specifies the charging time of the TE-1 from 0 to 80% state of charge. Still, the value is impressive. Thanks to the 50 kW DC charging system, the 900 Samsung NMC cells in the Triumph TE-1 reach 80% in just 20 minutes. How quickly the motorcycle charges at the conventional Shuko socket was not part of the Triumph test phase. Thanks to recuperation and regenerative braking, electricity can of course also be fed back into the battery while driving. Does the weight break the neck of the Triumph TE-1? The size and proportions of a street triple, but the ergonomics of a speed triple, that's how the English describe their TE-1. The weight was designed accordingly, and they managed to be 25% lighter than the currently available e-competitor. The Triumph TE-1 tips the scales at 220 kilograms. Not super light, but still a respectable value for an electric motorcycle with an extensive assistance package. The TE-1 has a 6-axis IMU, 4 riding modes, traction control, front wheel lift control, and a reverse maneuvering mode. Why is the Triumph TE-1 never built? The data looks pretty promising for Triumph's first electric launch. So why not build the TE-1? According to Triumph, the TE-1 project served purely as a development vehicle to understand the challenges of electric mobility. Research, development, and testing has been carried out, but now all the knowledge that is needed to build an electric series motorcycle has been collected. Triumph told us that they are already working on the first e-bike for the market, but that the development process would take a few more years. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button.